Ever wonder what really goes into preparing for a week-long Southern Caribbean cruise? From packing essentials to booking excursions, I'll walk you through everything I'm doing before I set sail, and how you can make your own pre-cruise prep totally stress-free. Hi, I'm Dr. D. Welcome back to Cruise Simply, where we help you discover the world one cruise at a time. In this video, I'll share how I'm preparing for my upcoming 7 days Southern Caribbean cruise, including what I've packed, where we're headed, and how I plan to make the most of every moment. Let's sail away. So before we dive into the details, here's a look at what this amazing itinerary has in store. This cruise sails from beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico, one of my favorite embarkation ports. From there, we'll visit stunning islands like Saint Martin, St. Lucia, Barbados, Grenada, and Dominica, before wrapping up with a relaxing sea day. Each stop offers something unique: culture, cuisine, and Caribbean charm. Now that the countdown is on, let's talk about how I prepare before every cruise. Before any cruise, I always double check the basics: online check-in, flight times, hotel confirmations, and shuttle options from the airport to the port. And here's a big tip for anyone cruising out of San Juan: fly in at least 1 to 2 days early. Not only does it protect you from the flight delays or weather issues, but it also gives you extra time to enjoy old San Juan. Try the local food and start your vacation relaxed instead of rushed. I also make sure all my excursions are booked early, especially for ports like St. Lucia and Dominica, where the most popular tours fill up fast. Here's a cool tip that keeps everyone stress-free. I organize all my travel documents, the itinerary, flight details, boarding passes, luggage tags, excursion confirmations, and any other paperwork, and place them neatly in a slip portfolio with plastic document protectors. This is beautiful. I've got the name of the cruise, the dates of the cruise on it. I've got the ship, and I always celebrate an anniversary, so I always call it an anniversary cruise, and a picture, my wife and I, for the photos. But it's real neat. You've got these document protectors, right? So you can see I've got my cruise summary, my travel summary, my itinerary. Okay. I got the port, of course, with the excursions that we're taking. Okay. Information, even my luggage tags. Okay. So when we get there, we can put them right onto the suitcase. And I've got my information for my flight, what time we leave our departing airport, and what time we arrive. So everything is nice and neat. I recommend this to anybody. As you can see, it's real thin. Doesn't take much to put together, but everything is in one place. Makes travel quite easier when you have this. So my recommendation to you. Now that the plans are all set, let's talk about packing smart for a 7 days Southern Caribbean adventure. For this trip, I'm keeping it light: breathable clothes, swimsuits, and a couple of evening outfits. Cruise cabins can be cozy, so I always pack travel-sized toiletries to save space and keep the bathroom organized. Essentials like medication, sunscreen, and basic first aid items should always go in your carry-on bag, just in case your luggage takes a little longer to arrive. I also pack motion sickness bands and a small medication kit. I also include a small kit with chargers and tech gear, along with my Nikon setup and backup CD cards for capturing each port. Here's a little personal touch. I like to bring 2 bottles of my favorite wine for those quiet balcony evenings. I use a special bubble wrap travel sleeve made just for wine bottles, as you can see here. It's awesome. You put your bottle in there, you close it up, and it really does a good job inside your suitcase. So they're airline safe, reusable, and give you a peace of mind that your bottles will arrive intact. And if you like more detailed packing tips, including what to bring and what to leave at home, I have a full video link right here in the description. It goes even deeper into cruise packing essentials. With the bags ready, here's what I'm looking forward to once we're on board. This cruise will be special because I'll be documenting each port, from the Pythons of St. Lucia to the spice markets of Grenada. Each day, I'll post short updates and behind-the-scenes moments. I'll also capture onboard life, dining, sea days, and those unforgettable sunsets. My goal is to make you feel like you're sailing right there with me. And to build the excitement, I'll be sharing a few short countdown clips before we board. In the days leading up to embarkation, I'll be posting short clips from packing previews to excursion highlights. And of course, the final countdown as we head to San Juan. If you're not subscribed yet, now's the time to join me for the journey. Whether it's your first cruise or your 15th, preparation makes all the difference. Stay organized, arrive early, pack smart, and keep your plans flexible. The goal is to enjoy every moment of your time at sea. Thank you for choosing Cruise Simply. Please join us on this journey. What's your favorite way to prepare for a cruise? Drop your tips in the comments below. From me to you, have a great cruising day. Until next time.